Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a promo code in EA application. To redeem a promo code in the EA Games app, first of all, launch open the EA application on your device and sign in with your EA account's credentials. Now, once you're inside the home page, go ahead and select any game you want to check out with. To show it to you, I'm just going to select this game over here. Once you get to the details section of the selected game, click on the select edition button and choose the edition. On the next page, click the buy button under the pricing, and then on the next page, you'll need to enter your payment methods details. Look for the promo code option on the right corner which says apply promo code. Click on that and then enter your promo code carefully in the text box. Once you type in your promo code, click on apply and check the discount or reward is applied. Complete your purchase by clicking on pay now at the bottom, and once you do that, you'll be able to add a promo code in the EA Games app. Make sure that the code is valid and not expired. Only one promo code can actually be used for one purchase. So if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.